for all of the good sweets. So we're gonna see what they have to eat. Let's go. We're checking out all the sweets today.
We can do that. It's our chocolate tier special. You get 16 pieces.
Doesn't look like there's anybody in there right now. But they've got that chocolate spinning. So good. It smells heavenly in here. So they've got some little I Love You chocolate pops that are $6. Oh my gosh, those are precious. Then they have the crispy chocolate pearls. They usually have these year round. I don't remember seeing the pink ones though. The strawberry flavor, that's really cute. Those are $6.50. They also have the mini chocolate pops. Those are the same, the $6. But I think what we came to see was this piñata, which is really fun. So it's called the Sweetheart Mini Piñata, and it's a dark chocolate filled with marshmallows. And those are $25. I think that's what the Minnie Mouse one was also. These are really pretty though. These strawberry marshmallows.
Those are $8.
Cute.
I'm gonna look at the pops as well.
The Mickey ones. Quite a lot of the piñatas.
These little chocolate Mickey pops are $6.
I love those. Look at those sweet lollies. They also have a Cinderella's Coach box at $7.50. So it's like a little favor box.
I think you can put little pieces of chocolate in there.
It must come with some. I don't think they would charge $7.50 for just the box. You think?
They got some yummy treats over here. What's that?
It's like a fondue
That's
box.
our fondue for two, so it's going to be a passion fruit fondue, and then we give you some strawberry marshmallows and some regular marshmallows, 4 strawberries, and then some graham crackers. They make like little mini s'mores and just dip them in.
Can you heat the chocolate?
So our chocolates are really hot. We serve it hot, so that so that's like meant to eat right now.
Perfect. And how much are those?
$12.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Really cute.
That's really cute.
Look at these little Mickey milk chocolates. The raspberry and passion fruit chocolates. And then the rest look like their normal stock. The sea salt, coffee, chipotle pepper, orange. I think these are specifically the Valentine's ones. Yeah, I think we should try that. I want to go to that back wall.
And then they have some chocolate covered marshmallows, but I'll get this.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait until they finish. I can squeeze through. Thank you. No, thank you. I just wanted to show. So it looks like they've got the same stock over here. They've got the Mickey chocolate pops. You can do a chocolate bar bundle where you can get 3 for $17. Buy 2 bars, you get 1 free. And these are really cool because they have the princesses on them. So look. Isn't that neat? It's got Sleeping Beauty. This is a dark chocolate. And it expires March of 2019. So definitely need to eat it soon. They've got chocolate toffee crunch with pecans, crispy chocolate pearls. We know those are $6.50. How they display their product is really cool. Look at this, just chocolate covered marshmallows, $8. Ooh, yummy.
It's so nice everybody purchases apple pie.
There's nothing chocolate can't fix, and I believe that's true.
I also believe a balanced diet is a cookie in each hand. Just saying.
So his response was,
We we can take it over to Wine Bar George and sit out there.
Yeah, let's try it.
Cute. Alright, I'm gonna have to look at us with our cupcakes and our...
Walking out of here with our sprinkles and
Good Lord.
our ganachery.
Thank you. Fondue for you. I'm gonna try the strawberry. Oh my gosh. This strawberry is like some funky...
It's big.
Yeah, they are big. But that's nice because I feel like sometimes you get a strawberry and you get one bite and then the rest is the stem. Clink! Ooh, that's about to get all over me.
That's delicious.
Very fresh. But my mom was saying as we were walking over here that there's 5 crackers and 5 marshmallows rather than 6.
Yeah.
Because if this is for 2, I feel like you would do 6 so they each get 3 instead of doing 5 and then we get like 2.5. But because they did 4 strawberries, so 2 strawberries each. I don't know, it's a little weird.
Strawberries and chocolate, man, you cannot go wrong. That was delicious.
We're doing like a mukbang. Do you know what those are?
No.
So on YouTube there's a fad going around for videos. It's called the mukbang. So you just get food and eat and talk. And that's the video.
Alright, well I like food. These are soft graham crackers.
You're not gonna put marshmallow on that?
I will. Look at that beautiful chocolate just dripping down. Oh my gosh, it's like fresh graham cracker.
You're not playing around?
Okay, that is why the Ganachery has the best s'more in the world. They're $8, you guys have to try it. It is like life-changing s'mores that they sell in there.
They literally advertise it as the life-changing s'more.
And I think it might be because that graham cracker is so good.
It almost isn't a graham cracker. It's like
It's soft.
a cookie. Yeah.
This marshmallow is definitely homemade too. It's really soft. Use my fork. Maybe that's your fork, somebody's fork. This is like the perfect amount of sweet too. We've gotten those pinatas a couple times now, which I really like, but
It's almost too much chocolate. So I like that this is, you're controlling the chocolate with, because it's, you know, it's fondue, you get to dip. And if you want a lot, or if you just want the taste of it, I agree, because sometimes those pinatas, I'm like, all right, I'm good.
yeah. And then we don't eat them, and we end up throwing some of it away. They put some little chocolate balls in the inside on top of that.
I love chocolate covered fruit anyway, or chocolate chip fruit. I like to get an Epcot and an Animal Kingdom. I haven't seen them at Magic Kingdom. They'll sell the chocolate dip pineapple skewers, and I love those.
I'm cutting our graham cracker in half, so we can get 2 in half. Okay, this is my half. I'm going to see this graham cracker all day. Give me. These are yours.
Thanks.
Now I'm trying the strawberry marshmallow. Is that good?
Yeah, that one was nice. Sorry. Oh, that's smart. Maybe I should have dipped it before I put it on my graham cracker. Because I put it on my graham cracker and then try to do some fancy drizzle with it.
I have years more experience eating chocolate than you do.
All right, my bad.
Definitely get this, you guys, for $12. You can share it with someone you love, and it doesn't have to be your significant other. It can be your daughter. I'm eating my fourth of it, and I cut
The fork is tiny.
The what is
The fork. I mean, I get it because it's a little plate, but
Yeah, you guys. There's going to be a lot of chocolate left over.
oh yeah. We haven't. We've gone down like a quarter of an inch. There's so much chocolate. Did you have your marshmallows already? That one's mine? Oh, dang.
This is really good.
I guess I just was eating I was focused on my strawberries.
Yeah.
I like that.
Look, and I made it all pretty for you.
Ooh. Little of this action. Maybe not. It's coming off.
Luckily, it's strawberry season in Florida, so strawberries are delicious and fresh.
We actually have gone strawberry picking. Remember we went to that farm, Mom?
Yeah, I want to go again.
We picked like we went
crazy.
We went ham and picked like 3 pounds of strawberries, and then they all went bad. Like
the
within
next
2
day.
days, yeah. So that was a bummer.
They were just so pretty. I couldn't stop picking.
Well, I'm gonna say that didn't suck.
What are we going to do with this chocolate? I'm not leaving it here.
You can drink it, like the drinking chocolate at Epcot. I'm actually
Better than
gonna
that.
hop down and grab the camera and show you guys our cleared plate. Hated it.
Hated it.
Hated it. So good. Alright guys, that was probably my favorite thing that we've ever gotten at the Ganachery. I love the chocolate piñatas. I think they're really fun. With a lot of people especially, it's definitely entertaining and fun to do. But as far as just being a really nice, sweet, lighter treat, I thought that was perfect. And for $12, I really, really recommend coming down here and checking it out if you're local or if you're visiting anytime in February. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!